let's start this review off with what's in the box. First off, you got, well, the keyboard itself, hopefully, along with two cables, USB-C to USB-C and a USB-C to USB-A, which is nice to see two cables being included there. You also get a nice little keycap puller, a manual you'll never read, some kind of patch or mousepad thing, and a little Velcro cable tie, along with a little sticker to put on your forehead. So the keyboard comes with the usual gaming features. You know, you got anti-ghosting, N-key rollover, and a support for a number of macros. I got the white Taurus version. I'm a massive fan of the clean aesthetics of this board and just the overall minimal design. Not only to the branding being really discreet, but the overall compactness of the 10 keyless keyboard. On the bottom of the keyboard, you've got these 5 rubber feet. You also have these 2 pop-up feet that you can adjust between the 2 settings to suit your preferred angle. Another thing I really like about this is the way the cable fits in the back. It slots in super nice and really just warms my OCD heart. Then you got the usual lighting for caps lock, scroll lock, Windows key and macro keys. You also got the symbols on the side of the keys for the media function options. This particular board comes with double shot PBT caps with, or honestly, one of my other favourite things about this board is this just clean, minimal typeface, no gaming shit. These keyboards also have the Cherry MX switch range, with my particular version having the Cherry MX Browns, which you'll be able to hear right now in the typing test. So honestly, my final thoughts, I love this keyboard and I'm 100% keeping it, and it's going to be my daily driver. I love the build, I love the aesthetics of it. It fits really well on my white desk personally. I was actually really surprised with the build of this in terms of the keys. They feel really smooth, they feel really premium. But overall, I'd say if you're looking for a budget mechanical keyboard that's solid, then I would particularly go for this one. They're going for around £70 to £110 depending on where you get them from. I got mine from Durgod.com. It did take a while to get here, so if you are wanting it a bit quicker and have a look at some different models, I will put some Amazon links in the description along with the Durgod link itself. But other than that, thanks for watching. I hope it was a nice little review. If you guys have got any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you have this keyboard yourself, let me know what you like about it, what you don't like about it. I've only had this for a few weeks now, so I guess we'll have to see in the long term. But overall, I'm happy with it at the moment. So, see you in the next one.